I was 14 years old nung ako po ay nanalo sa isang singing contest called Star for a Night. That was in 2003. Akala ko po, pag po natupad ng pangarap ko, pag nanalo ako, pag nagkaroon po kami ng maraming pera, ay mas magiging masaya po ang buhay namin at mawawala po ang mga problema namin sa buhay. But through time, I've learned that no one is exempted from life's problems. It was Tito Gary Valenciano who shared this beautiful verse with me. 2007 po ito. Nag-guest po si Tito Gary sa concert ko noon. And I confided in him kasi I was feeling exhausted. I was feeling discouraged and frustrated. Then he prayed for me. Jeremiah 29, verse 11. For I know the plans I have for you. Plans to prosper you and not to harm you. Plans to give you hope and a future. Sobra kong umabot yung mga ko. Ngayon po naiiyak ako. Naalala ko yung time na yun. Feeling ko, God, talk to me through Tito Gary. Sa buhay po natin, nakalagay po yan sa Bible pala that on earth we will have many trials and sorrows at darating po sa buhay natin na parang feeling natin hindi ko na kaya, gusto ka nang sumuko sa buhay ko. Pero wag po tayo mag-give up. Let's continue drawing our strength from God. Let's continue holding on to our faith. Keep trusting God. Be still and know that God is in control.